Hello everybody, today we are going to be looking at how to make a costume in Rec Room. So we are here on our game. We are going to press M, take in the maker pen, and then right click to open up the menu. Here what you're going to do is, you're going to come to palette, and then you are going to search for costume dummy. Here select that, and then place your costume dummy. Here come to menu again, but this time click on tools. Here click edit, and then select the body part that you want to add a costume. Let's say body. Here you can add a cube. Let's say I want to make myself a cubic backpack like that. And then right click again to come back to menu and click done to finish. And unequip the maker pen. Here click on equip, and then here is your new costume. Hope that I could help you. Thanks for watching. Take care.